Hey folks, have you ever tried editing a scanned PDF and nothing works? You can't select text, can't copy anything, and most tools want you to pay just to convert a single file. What if you could turn any scanned PDF into fully editable text in minutes for free without Adobe Acrobat? Tenorshare PDNob uses advanced OCR with up to 99% accuracy to convert scanned PDFs while keeping your formatting intact. Edit, copy, or export to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint completely free on Windows 11. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, click the link provided in the description, which will take you to the official website of Tenorshare PDNob, the #1 PDF editor packed with powerful features including OCR technology. OCR allows you to convert scanned PDFs into editable or searchable text, making document management effortless. PDNob is available for both Windows and Mac OS, so you can download the version that suits your system. With PDNob, you can edit, annotate, organize, and protect your PDF files, and much more. What truly sets PDNob apart is its AI-powered features. You can summarize PDF files, chat with your documents, translate content, rewrite text, and get explanations, all within the app. Once the download completes, simply run the installer. You'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface with various features, including PDNob AI for interacting with PDFs and PDF conversion tools that let you export to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other formats. In today's video, we're focusing on the OCR feature, a powerful tool that converts scanned documents into fully editable PDFs. Now, if you're wondering what OCR actually means, it stands for Optical Character Recognition. This technology scans the pixels of an image or scanned document and intelligently recognizes the text within it, converting it into actual editable characters. It's incredibly useful for anyone dealing with paperwork, old documents, or scanned contracts that need modifications. Let's walk through a practical example to see how this works. Here we have a 2-page scanned document, perhaps something you received via email or scanned from a physical copy. As you can see, this document currently isn't editable. If you try to click on the text, nothing happens. You can't modify it, you can't add new content, and you certainly can't remove any existing text. It's essentially just an image trapped inside a PDF. Our goal today is to change that and unlock the full potential of this document. To get started, click on the OCR PDF button in the main interface. The software will then prompt you to upload your scanned PDF file. Navigate to your file location, select your document, and click Open. Now, if this is your first time using the OCR feature, PDNob may ask you to download the OCR plugin. Don't worry, this is a one-time download that enhances the software's recognition capabilities. Simply click Download Now and let it install. This process only takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the plugin is ready, you're all set to perform the OCR. Click on Perform OCR and you'll be presented with several options. The first option you'll see is Scan to Editable Text. This is exactly what we need, so go ahead and select it. Next, you'll need to configure a couple of settings. First, choose your page range. You can select specific pages if you only need to convert a portion of your document, or simply choose all pages to process the entire file. Then, set your document language. This is important because it helps the OCR engine accurately recognize characters. PDNob supports a wide variety of languages, including English, Arabic, Chinese traditional and simplified, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, and many more. Select the language that matches your document content for the best results. Now, click Perform OCR and watch the magic happen. Within just a few seconds, the software processes your document and your editable text is ready. What was once a static scanned image, completely locked and unmodifiable, is now a fully editable PDF document. Let's explore what you can do now. Click anywhere on the text and you'll notice you can select it just like in a word processor. You can copy text to your clipboard, delete unwanted sections, or apply formatting such as bold and italic. Want to change the font color? Simply select the text and pick your desired color from the palette. Need to resize the text or switch to a different font style? Just select the content and make your adjustments with a single click. The flexibility is remarkable. But that's not all. Beyond basic text editing, you can add entirely new text anywhere in the document. You can insert images to enhance your content, include hyperlinks for interactive documents, and even add watermarks to protect your work or establish branding. PDNob also allows you to modify headers and footers, giving you complete control over your document's appearance. And when you're finished editing, you can convert your polished PDF into Word, Excel, or other formats for further use. That's how you use PDNob's OCR feature to transform scanned documents into searchable, editable files. Give Tenorshare PDNob a try and share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI and productivity content.